Hello everybody and welcome back again. It's Albert here. Let me try to get situated here a little better. It looks pretty good right there. Maybe I'll back out a little bit. Alrighty. Boy, I'm getting used to this a little bit. Okay. Got good light. Alrighty, here we go again. We got another challenge lock. Heck yeah. This one here, it's already in the vise. This one here is called, hopefully you can see that. It says Sour Puss, and it's by Bearsback. Cool guy. If you haven't seen his channel, I'm sure you have if you're watching mine, but check him out. He's awesome. He likes picking locks in his hands too, which I can't seem to figure out too much, but there's the bidding on the key. Pretty damn wild. It's got that little, what do they call that, like a overset trap, I call it, and it is. It sure is, but it is working. Well, if you let the key relax, it works. Alright, so let's dig into this thing again for the camera this time. Where am I? Okay, drop my little dealie in the bottom there. A little tension wrench in the top there. Alright. Now on this one here, I did it a little bit ago off camera, but I ended up having to use 3 different picks to get into this thing. I start off with this, because there's a low one in the back that won't lift without, I got to get this little nub back there first. Then I move up slightly to the slightly taller hook. Both of these are from the Sparrow's Monstrum XXL. And then I had to use this tall one here from the SS Dev set. So I'll tell you what, I'm not sure if I've ever had to use 3 different picks on one lock, but that's the way it is for this one. Okay, enough jabbing, let's get to stabbing. Alright. Of course, now things are going to go completely different because the camera's on, but that's okay. Yeah, it's hard to get under them bad boys. And I'm sure he's got some kind of crunchy monkeys going on in there, so it's not easy pickings. I promise you that much. Alright, now I think I've got to go to this slightly taller deal here. And I just overset. Yep. Completely overset. I felt it right from the get-go. Well, I think I did. Yeah. It's real easy to do. This thing's a little, I picked on this thing, I guess, oh, it's back down again. Oh, there we go. I guess last week, and I was really getting nowhere, so I set it aside and moved on. But come home from work today and was going through my little bucket there that I tossed them in. Ooh, nice click on one. I think I got a slight turn there. Another click. I think that was 4. The thing is trying to work around these. I'm going to move up to that pick from the SS Devs now. The thing is trying to work around that low cut pin without interrupting it, because it will shut you down. Oh, okay, nice false set now. Beautiful. but we're not home yet. I don't know if that's the one I want or not. Oh, got another little click out of it. Okay. Yeah, because it's a trap. It's giving me counter, but it's hard to stay with a skinny. This pick is like a needle on the tip of it. So staying under the pin, it's a tricky dick, I'll tell you what. See, I mean, you can see the counter rotation I'm getting off of it. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Excellent. All right. Beautiful. Hang on to that there. Put this down on the floor. Nice. Down over here. That'll be about right. Some light. Okay, I do have a key, so you see it's unlocked. I can lock it back up. Alrighty, let's see what Bearsback. See what kind of magic Bearsback has in this bad boy here. Yeah, I was stabbing it and stabbing it with those with the other picks there, and I kept on oversetting and oversetting, and finally I grabbed that little skinny SS Dev pick, and then I was able to feel that counter rotation real good and go to work on it. Alright, well, I got a pinning tray now, moving up. Okay, let's see, top of the lock. Alright, set that over there. We've got 5 pins all occupied. Oof. Almost lost them doing that. Okay. Mind frame, yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, yeah, you could see, probably, you guys would probably see from there how long that second pin is. That's a trap. That's a trap if I ever did see one myself. Okay. Going up top. Let's see what he's got upstairs, huh? Oh, nice. Oh, okay, now this is like a T-pin there, but this was down by the spring, and that serrated part was sticking up. I'm not sure if that was supposed to be like that. I think usually that needle part is sticking up. I don't know. I guess Bearsback, when you see this, this one here looks like a standard, really. It's just a little teeny tiny guy, I guess, because it had that really long one as a key pin. So spring, whoops, there we go. Number 2 spring, number 3. God, these are barely, okay, there it goes. There it goes. Now that is a spool. It's super deep. That was in number 3. That's beautiful. Spring. Okay. Oh, I think I'm blocking it. Sorry. Okay, that was 3. I'm going to try going from the other side. It's probably shorter. Okay. So this will be 5. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got some magic here. Got some magic there, buddy. Yep. Nice. Little spring. Whoops, I'm sorry. That was this one. 5. Okay. 4. Another, like, heavily serrated, it looks like. I'm going to try to push it up here. Yep. Nice. Very nice. Spring. Okay, now I don't have to jack with the camera since I actually have a pinning tray, but I am going to look for modifications. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nothing in the Bible part, the top part. The core is those are okay. I got threading. In 4 and 5, and I got undercuts in 1 and 3. Those feel like undercuts, yeah. 1 and 3 is undercut. 2 seems to be standard. 4 and 5 is threaded. Beautiful. Really nice. Really nice. Okay. Put the key over there. Make sure the light is good over here. And here we go. Alright, again, that was Sourpuss from Bearsback. I really appreciate it, man. That was an awesome lock. Really put up a heck of a fight. Key pin number 1 looks like standard. Same with 2, it's just really long, like a trap pin. 3 has a serration in the top. Oops, sorry. 4's got 2 serrations in the top. 5 serrated at the top, the key pin, and up above this one, Bearsback. You gotta let me know. That thing had the this pin end of it was up by the spring, and the this part right here was well, this is how they went in. Short little standard pin right here, because this one was so long, I guess. Very deep, very long, nice spool pin. This one here in 4 is just serrated, and 5 is also serrated, like here, here, and here, but then there's like a deeper, I wouldn't call that a spool, but almost, because they're deeper right here and here. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Alright, thanks y'all for watching. I highly appreciate it. And if you liked the video, hit that little thumbs up button. Alright, thank you.